Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can directly download any of your Canva designs to your Google Drive. It is really simple. For example, here is a design I created, and I want to download it directly to Google Drive. This way, you don't have to waste time downloading it first and then uploading it to your Google Drive. You can simply and directly download it to Google Drive. To do this, you need to go to the Share option and select CL, and here you will see Shape. You can download it from here. You can also choose Box, OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox as options. But today, we will be downloading to Google Drive. So just click on Google Drive, and it will prompt you to connect your Google Drive. You can also change the format to MP4, PDF, or JPG. These are the supported formats. So just click Connect and link your Google Drive, and then you can easily connect your Google Drive. Now you are ready to download any of your designs to Google Drive. And if you connect your Google Drive once, then you don't have to connect it again for another project. After that, you can download any design on demand after your Google Drive is connected. So that's a simple, effective process to save time, instead of spending it on downloading and uploading to Google Drive. You can simply download directly to your Google Drive, and that saves you a lot of time. And if you work on Google or use Canva projects daily, then this will be even more helpful for you. So that was a simple process for how you can download directly from Canva to Google Drive. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.